The black screen issue in FC Mobile 26 occurs after the initial loading screen, preventing full game launch and making it inaccessible. This problem can stem from several root causes, including insufficient device specifications, where inadequate RAM or an outdated processor struggles to handle the game's demands, leading to crashes during startup. Corrupted game files from incomplete installations or interrupted updates can also trigger the black screen. Software incompatibility occurs when the game clashes with the device's operating system or specific driver versions. Inconsistent or unstable internet connections during loading may also contribute, as the game fails to retrieve necessary data. To diagnose this issue, first identify whether your device meets the minimum specifications outlined by EA Sports. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game platform. Evaluate potential software conflicts and ensure drivers are up to date. Finally, ensure a stable internet connection before attempting to launch the game. Addressing the FC Mobile 26 black screen issue requires a systematic approach. Begin by force closing the game and restarting your device to clear temporary glitches. Next, clear the game's cache and data within your device's settings on Android, or offload the app on iOS to remove potentially corrupted files. Ensure that FC Mobile 26 is granted all necessary permissions, including storage and network access, within your device's settings. A complete reinstallation of the game often resolves problems caused by corrupted files or incomplete installations. Before reinstalling, back up your game data if possible, through connected accounts to prevent data loss. Update your device's operating system and graphics drivers to the latest versions to address potential compatibility issues. If the problem persists, temporarily disable any background apps that might be conflicting with the game's resources. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, contact EA Sports Support, providing details about your device model, operating system version, and the troubleshooting steps you have already attempted. These systematic steps should resolve most black screen issues in FC Mobile 26.